our gas oven. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36.25 inches. A depth of also 36.25 inches. And a height with legs, we have 78 inches tall. Located on the top right corner is an indicator gauge. Located on the top and bottom left column of the door are latches that can be loosened to release. Coming to the top will be a circulating interior of the oven. Will have 8 compartment slots to insert your trays. The measurement for each slot will include 27 inches in depth, and a length of 29.5 inches. And the top and bottom distance between each slot will measure 4.5 inches. Located beneath the right and right slots are heating mechanisms located on the left, back, and right columns. The heating mechanism will heat up your food and products above in each slot. So when the oven is in operation, the latches can lock into the latches. And also in the middle will be an additional window to view your product while it's cooking. Located on the bottom are 4 separate burners, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. And below that will be your waste tray. Runoff or a drain located on the lower right column. Measurements for the waste tray will include 28 inches in length, 3.5 inches in height, and a depth of 32 inches. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back right beneath the oven. Coming to the back of the oven, located on the lower right side, from the front to the back will be your black pipe for gas. Coming to the front of the oven will be the ETL certification, along with additional information for this oven. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part. Thank you.